Named after Julius Caesar, the Caesar cipher is one of the earliest known and simplest ciphers. It is a type of substitution cipher, in which each letter in the plaintext is shifted a certain number of places down the alphabet. For example, with a shift of 1, the letter A would be replaced by B, B would become C, and so on. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
We're writing a method that takes a string, the text to be encrypted, and an integer, the rotation factor, and returns a string with Caesar's cipher applied. Before we get started, we need you to like this video, share it with your friends, tell us how this solution compares with your own, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to click on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we post new content. Now, let's get on with the solution to our problem. First, we instantiate a string builder and assign it to a variable named result. Next, we walk through each character in the incoming string, and assign it to a character variable named ch. Next, we evaluate the character to determine if it's uppercase. If it is, we apply the rotation factor for uppercase ASCII characters, and append the result to our string builder. If the character is lowercase, we apply the rotation factor for lowercase ASCII characters, and append the result to our string builder. If the character is neither upper or lowercase, we append the character to our string builder, unaltered. Once all characters have been evaluated, the resulting string builder is converted to a string, and returned to the caller. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?